Are you bored, a little frustrated, overwhelmed, not enjoying hair the way you used to? Have you lost a little bit of your creativity? If that is you, I'm here to help you. I'd like to invite you to Open House. Open House is a tour of my premier product, the Hair Designer Program. I will guide you through and show you how it has transformed hairdressers. Then you'll be a guest of one of my virtual workshops where you can follow along, observe, participate, ask questions, and see the transformation in real time. I've worked with hairdressers who are young in the industry to very, very experienced, and I have witnessed every week a transformation take place. Each of these stylists confess to being more in love with hair, making more money, increased referrals and retention, increase in creativity, and they're excited about doing hair. So if you want that opportunity, register at the link below, and I will see you online.